Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to turn on or off Google SafeSearch. First thing first, open any web browser and go to google.com. At the bottom right of the homepage, click Settings. And from the menu, choose Search Settings. Now on the Search Settings page, find the section labeled SafeSearch Filters. To turn off and check it, and to turn on, check the box Turn on SafeSearch. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save to apply your new settings. If you're signed in into your Google account, the SafeSearch setting will sync across all devices where you use that account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.